Hey there, tiny explorers. Ever wondered what life would be like if you were the size of an atom? Hop on an electron and ride around an atom's nucleus like a cosmic roller coaster. 1. Pay a visit to the nucleus and meet the protons and neutrons. Just don't cause a nuclear reaction, okay? 2. Play hide and seek using quantum tunneling. You might just pop up anywhere in the universe. 3. Join molecules in their dance as they vibrate with thermal energy. Talk about non-stop partying. 4. Explore chemical bonds like covalent and ionic bonds. They're the glue holding the universe together. 5. Dive into a water molecule and surf between hydrogen and oxygen atoms. H2. Oh, here we go. 6. Travel through a carbon nanotube. It's like the high-speed highway of the atomic world. 7. Create art with atoms. Move them around to make tiny sculptures or even spell your name. 8. Witness a chemical reaction up close. It's like watching an explosive fireworks show in slow motion. 9. Discover new elements by fusing atoms together. You could be the Einstein of the atomic world. Life as an atom-sized being would be a wild ride full of discovery and fun. So, what would you do if you were this tiny? Let us know in the comments.